loves, welcome back to the channel. Hey, okay, no, we're not singing an intro. That's not happening. Hey loves, welcome back to the My Crown of Curls YouTube channel. Today I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to regrow your breaking crown and stuff to look for. I haven't really decided what the title of this video is really going to be yet. Tips on how to combat and regrow your breaking crown, something along those lines. Okay, you guys will see in this videos of what title I decide. Right, so it seems as if black people with my hair texture, when it comes to the crown of our hair, the middle of our hair, there's something that's always wrong. It seems to always be shorter than the rest of your hair. It seems to be the one that's the hardest part to deal with. It seems to be the one that's breaking the most. It just seems to be in a category all to itself. And I've seen that from, you know, doing other people's hair other than myself. I've noticed that sometimes the crown of your hair is a completely different texture, and most often times than not, the crown of their hair is like this coarser texture than the rest of their hair. And it's like this vast difference that's going on in my hair. I thought that, you know, it was just natural for the middle of my hair to be the shortest part of my hair. For as long as I knew myself, I have struggled with growing the middle of my hair and having the middle of my hair, the crown section of my hair, to be the same length as the other sections of my hair. Sometimes it will get so short that I have to, you know, hide it and try to figure out ways to help people, so that people wouldn't notice that there's like this vast difference there. And when I spoke to other people, they had the same problem as well, so I thought that was a natural thing. But in my growth with this natural hair, I realized that, you know, there are certain things that cause us to have shorter hair in the middle of our head. And that's what I'm going to talk to you guys about, how I am regrowing the middle of my hair and what I've learned along the way. So the first thing that I would like to talk about is, I think the first step in regrowing your crown area is to recognize that you have a problem. And if your hair, I am assuming that, you know, you're in that, you know, range, you realize that, you know, the crown section of your hair is not growing to its optimal potential. You're losing so much hair there, it's thinning out, it's breaking. You know that you have a problem. The second thing that you should do is that you should section it out and really look at it. Is the texture different? What is the porosity of it? I'm going to do like a video on hair porosity later this month, so you check out the porosity, you check out the texture. If it is coarser than the rest of your hair, then you know that you have to apply some more product to it so that it doesn't dry out as quickly. Another thing is that the top of your hair gets the direct sunlight. It's constantly in direct sunlight. This is where the sun is hitting you when you're walking, when you're outside, and that could probably be contributing to it drying out that quickly, so you apply some more product to it. For my hair, the crown of my hair is actually looser than some other than the surrounding textures of hair. Like, the curl pattern is sort of straight. It's very weird. It's sort of straight. So what I do is that whenever I'm doing my hair, I section out this section so that it gets individual care, so that it doesn't get lost when I'm dealing with all the rest sections of my hair. So I give it individual care, Another thing that we usually do, what we usually do is we part our hair in 4 sections. So when you part your hair in 4 sections, there's tension here, there's tension pulling here, and there's tension pulling here. So your crown is being pulled in 4 different directions. So a great tip is to section out this middle part of your hair, and 1 section here, 1 section here, 1 section here, 1 section here, if that's making sense. So the extra tension that will cause your hair to be pulling out and so on and so forth will not occur. Another way that I have found to be helpful in regrowing my hair is not to put my hair in as much puffs, which again will have my hair elevated, the middle of my hair elevated and in more contact with direct sunlight. When I am detangling my hair, I make sure that I always try to finger detangle this particular section because I know that it's fragile, and I try to not use the comb there, right? And if I'm getting my hair done, like if somebody else is combing my hair, which really doesn't happen a lot, I will point out to them that, you know, this section, don't let it be combed as tightly as the other sections because I don't want to perpetuate the damage. Another thing that I did was, you know, as a natural, is it the same with you that you have hand in hair syndrome, that you really love touching your hair? Well, that is me. Like, I love touching my hair. So what I would do is every time that I want to touch or tug and pull at my hair, I would massage the middle, the crown section of my hair. So instead of playing with my hair, I would really massage the crown section of my hair. And so that really helped to stimulate extra growth in that area. I would also try my best to sleep with my hair covered because that constant friction of a cotton pillowcase against this area of my hair will also further cause breakage. So that was something that I do to incorporate and, you know, a healthier regimen to help regrow the crown of my hair. And I will try to style my hair in ways that doesn't make it obvious that the middle of my hair is shorter than the rest of my hair. I think this twist is combined with a few other twists. You're not really seeing it right now, but yeah, it is. So I really hope that these quick tips help you in regrowing the crown of your hair to make it thicker, healthier, and just as long and vibrant as the rest of your hair. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Share this video with a friend and leave a comment down below because I really do love hearing from you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to check out my other videos as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.